Alright, what's up guys? I just got off work and I just wanted to do this quick video clip. I did a few comparison of the front camera and the back camera on the 2018 iPad Pro, which is exactly what I'm recording this video on. I did a few clips just to compare the two cameras and how good they are, or I mean, if you guys watch the video, you can tell the difference. But I just wanted to make this quick video. I don't have that much time because I just got off work. I just made this video so you guys could check out the camera. So this is a camera test. This is a camera comparison on the 2018 iPad Pro. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, and that's it. Peace. All right, this is a video test, 4K 60 a night. Ooh, I hope I don't step in shit. All right. Jog it. Oh, that's horrible. It's not stable at all. Let's walk back to my car. All right. that concludes the camera test. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.